Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rashida from my channel Rashida the Elated. Today in this video, I'm gonna review about Urban Veda Purifying Bath and Body Wash. And here is my product. So guys, before getting into the video, I have a small request from you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe me and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload any new video, you'll get notified first, and subscription is totally free of cost. Guys, first let me speak about the packaging. Packaging comes with this good cardboard cover and where you'll get a body lotion, a body wash. You will get a single piece of body wash or single piece of body lotion also.
Guys, first let me tell you the ingredients. It is made up of hazel, tea tree oil, sweet almond, orange, mulberry and mint leaves and aloe vera, blueberry, etc. Mainly it is extracted from botanicals.
The back side it's been given the body washes of 200 ml and the body lotion of 250 ml, and it's been given what are all the ingredients and how to use and all. Really the two products, that is a body wash and a body lotion, it is of 450 ml and its MRP is 2399 rupees. Let me tell you, if you purchase this product on online, you might get discount of nearly 300 to 400 bucks. So you can go and check it out once on online. I got this for 1900 or 1890 something. Let me open this. Here is my body lotion. And here is my body wash. First, let me review about this Urban Veda body lotion. You can see it comes with good bottle with the cap where you can get your liquid. Let me tell you what Urban Veda saves. It's made up of neem and botanicals. This is purifying body lotion and this is for hydrating, energizing and balancing. It's made in UK, United Kingdom, and this is cruelty free and vegan free. This body lotion says since it is rich in botanicals, this helps to balance the oil and it helps to give you a fresh look. Neem works to enhance the skin natural flora. Wild mint helps to prevent from oil poor skin. Guys, before applying, just shake it well and I just show you how the texture is. If I want to say about the smell is so mild, it is not at all harsh. It's good. It's like kind of neem extract itself, but it's not at all harsh, it is mild. And let me show you. See the texture, wow. It's smooth actually. It blended very easily. The texture is not at all hard, it is smooth. Oh, the smell before applying was something different, and after applying it's like a raw neem smell it's coming. Yeah, it's like raw neem smell. Applying this lotion to my body, how I felt is rubbing a neem leaf into your hand, and what is this raw smell you'll get, the same smell I got now. So the thing is entirely different. Applying the smell was different and after applying the smell was entirely different. And now after sometimes the smell is different. Now the smell is good. Before applying the smell is different, after applying the smell is different, and after meanwhile after some 60 seconds or 1 minute the smell is entirely different. Now the smell is good and it is mild. Coming to my Urban Veda Neem plus Botanics Purifying Body Lotion, it comes like this with good packaging. What Urban Veda Neem plus Botanics Purifying Body Wash says, it is for cleansing oil poor skin. And in the back side all the instruction have been given, you can read it off. And if I want to say about the texture, it comes like this as usual face wash kind. If I want to say about the smell of the both body lotion and this body wash is same. It's mild. Now let me move towards a small demo.
So now let me apply to my body. I'm gonna take few drops of lotion and gently apply on my hand and massage it circularly. Since this product is hazel enriched in tannins, a natural plant component with powerful antioxidant properties that help to protect our skin from any damages when applied. So I gonna massage it well. After that, let me test by scratching. As you can see, there is no mark of dryness.
After applying, let me tell you my experience. I have used this more than twice. So what I felt is the price of the product is costlier and it doesn't give me so moisturized. I mean, the day long moisturized. It was about only 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours max. That's it. With good quantity and even the smell is okay, but if it comes to moisturizing, and moisturizing is the main part for body lotion, I think it doesn't give me moisturized for more hours and it is not long lasting. I felt it is more costlier. Says it's for cleansing and it's for oil pore skin. Okay, I do agree for cleansing. I don't know about oil pore skin. Felt as normal body wash, which is as normal one, and I even felt it is costlier and I think it's more costlier. And even the smell is okay, it's not good, it's not up to the mark, I can say. Then felt moisturized to my body also using this body lotion. The question is whether it's worth to buy or not. According to me, the quantity is good, I do agree, but all the expectation of this body lotion is not up to the mark because it's too costlier. What I felt is it's too costlier, so I think you need to think it off once, and later on if you wish to try, only then you try this, because it's costlier and it is not up to the mark. So all the points according to me, but for some people it might be useful. So if you guys wish to buy, it will be on my description. The product link will be on my description. You can go and check it out once. And that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.